In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Elementor. Elementor provides a very user-friendly environment to create and customize websites. So, if you want to rotate an image, whether to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your site or to align images perfectly with other elements, follow along and you'll learn just how easy it can be. First and foremost, ensure that you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. Then, navigate to the page or post where you wish to rotate your image. You can do this either by selecting the specific page under the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard or by choosing a new post if that's your starting point. Once you're there, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will take you into the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you are in the Elementor editor, it's time to select the image you want to rotate. Click on the section where your image is placed. If you haven't added your image yet, simply drag and drop the image widget from the Elementor panel on the left side into the area where you'd like to place it. Once your image is there, click on it to bring up the image settings in the Elementor sidebar. With the image selected, you should see the Content tab in the Elementor panel. Here, you can replace the current image if needed, adjust image size, alignment, and caption, but what we need is in a different tab. Navigate to the Style tab by clicking on it at the top of the panel. This is where you'll find various styling options. In the Style tab, scroll down until you see the Transform section. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find a host of transformation tools at your disposal, but to rotate your image, select the Rotate option. Here you can enter the degree you'd like your image to be rotated. Positive values rotate the image clockwise, while negative values rotate it counterclockwise. Just type in the degrees, or use the slider to adjust until you find that perfect angle. Remember, the trick is to keep it looking natural and fitting in with the rest of your design. You can preview the changes immediately on the screen, so feel free to tweak until you are satisfied with how the rotated image looks. Once you're happy with the rotation, make sure to click the Update button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. It's important not to rush away from this step as it ensures your work won't be lost. That's it. You've successfully rotated an image using Elementor. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.